You can set announcements to users in form of videos and splash screens directly within their environment. Let me show you how. I'm going to click on this announcements tab over here, and it's got all these different things: message from CEO, file naming recommendations, service interruption alert, and all these things can come up automatically if I wanted to for my users, and then everything gets recorded as to who clicked on what or who was served which announcement. Let me click on message from CEO. Here's a video. So it can come up the first time, let's say I go to a specific page, or it can come up the second time, the fifth time, whatever you want it to be, to basically pushing this information directly to users in their environment. Currently I'm in OneDrive, but it could be any environment, any website really. The tab itself, the icon, this is all customizable, and the tab can be moved anywhere you want it to be as well, top, bottom, wherever you want. And then the configuration of all that stuff is also very simple for admins. So if I enable edit mode and click on the edit, this is in form of video, shows me this is a message from CEO, and that's the actual path of where it's contained. Alright, if I click on something else, for example a service interruption alert, edit, it's in the walkthrough builder, I'll go in and maximize this, and this is how it's set up. So this contains, it can support text, images, animated images, videos, or whatever else you want it to be. And then I can configure it to show it at a specific time, like I was saying. So I can go to auto show on load and then have it show up the first time, the fifth time, whatever I want it to be between a certain date. So very easy to configure any type of information really to serve to your users as announcements.